Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill property tax in Punjab. First, identify if your property falls under residential, commercial, or industrial categories. Next, gather essential documents like your property ID, previous tax receipts, and ownership proof. Knowing these initial steps ensures a smooth and accurate filing process. We'll cover each aspect in detail to help you navigate the system effectively and avoid common errors. Calculating your property tax involves assessing the annual rental value of your property. Punjab uses a specific formula, often involving factors like location and property type. Once calculated, you have several payment methods. You can pay online through the official portal or visit designated banks and collection centers. Be aware that late payments can incur significant penalties, so timely submission is crucial. Filing your property tax online is convenient and efficient. Begin by registering on the official Punjab property tax website using your property ID. Carefully enter all required information into the online assessment form, ensuring accuracy. Double-check every detail, from property dimensions to ownership information, before clicking Submit. This meticulous approach helps prevent discrepancies and ensures your filing is processed correctly. Always maintain thorough records of all your property tax payments and receipts for future reference. These documents are vital for any verification or appeals. If your property situation is complex, consider consulting a tax professional for personalized guidance. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying informed and organized will make your property tax experience much simpler.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.